All right, so we've talked a little bit about what it's like to take a project from beginning to end, but I want to show you some more stuff about creating and managing projects and files. So the cool thing with Vandall is that you can immediately get started, and if we throw in, let's say, a few files, we can zip them automatically. So here it's downloading from cloud storage, and now it has provided a zip file. And very soon, probably by the time you're watching this, we're going to have an option to share a link to files. So it's going to be very easy to get files delivered to people without adding them to the project. But currently the cool thing is that you can add people with a link. So it's very quick to just get people on board into a project. So if you want to just share some files, create a project, add the files there, and then add people to that project, and you're done. We support up to 10 gigabytes per file. So you can bring in all your bad boys here, regardless of what it is. So if I, for example, just take a whole Ableton project, I can put it in here, zip it up, upload it, quick. If I take a Logic project, let's see what's the biggest one I got here. I got 600 megabyte file, zipping it up and uploading it. So all of that, very straightforward, completely supported in Vandall. And the cool thing is that if you're using the mobile version, because you don't really have a drag and drop there, you can copy a file and then just paste it in the text field. And that's a small tip that might go unnoticed. So that's a really easy, straightforward way to add some files into the mobile version quickly and easily. And of course, if you're looking for a specific type of file, you can filter and then easily upload from there as needed. So that's the great thing about Vandall. Currently, you can drag and drop files or paste them in. You can easily share links to invite people in there, or then if you prefer more granular control, you can add people with an email and then define their access level of what they're able to do. And of course, you can always remove people. So if we go back, for example, to this example project, I have this person here. I can remove them if I've decided that they no longer deserve access to the files. So that's a good thing to know. I think that about covers it for files. Remember that you can always download files if you're a contributor or owner. Viewers can only listen or view files in the projects, but not have access to download it for themselves. And yeah, we're more than interested in hearing any and all features that you might need for files. We know that version control is coming soon, as well as we're working on building file detail view where you can then have conversations about a file, timestamp them, all kinds of things like that. So let us know how we can make file sharing even smoother and better for you.